babies. Hi, babies. Okay. Hey, everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about something really important. It is crazy. Y'all been to the grocery store lately and y'all seen how much those egg prices are. It's just out of this world. I mean, I just can't believe it. I went shopping the other day and I couldn't believe my eyes. And I know that in different states and different areas, they're more than other places, but I can't just, I don't understand why they're charging so much for those eggs. I know their cost with the feeds and everything and all the stuff, but still, this is outrageous. Is it worth having your own chickens these days? Because if you go in the store and you pay $8 to $10 a dozen of eggs, I still can't believe it. But, and you know, you go to the feed store and you pay like $13.90 or maybe $14 a bag of feed for your chicken, and then scratch, and that's twice. But still, is it cheaper buying eggs at the store or just have your own chickens? I know that if you, for example, if you get 4 dozen of eggs, you already bought almost 2 bags of feed for your chickens, and that's last you almost a whole month. So this is just, you know, I don't get it. Can I have chickens? Where would I put them? How much is gonna cost me? Do I want baby chicks or adult chickens that already laying eggs? This is a question you have to ask yourself before you even get chickens. Do you have room in your backyard and you're having a shed that you want to turn into a chicken coop? Great, you don't have to buy a chicken coop. If you don't have one, you have to buy your little chicken coop with the run or something with it to put your chickens in. The second question is, where I live, can I have chickens? Check with your cities. I know for sure if you have a rooster, they probably won't appreciate it if you live in a close neighborhood and everything, but a couple chickens, I don't know who, you know, it's just like a dog running around, just tell them that you're pet chickens. That's what I do with mine. And third, how much does it cost to take care of my chickens? So I buy a big bag of feed and scratch a month for $13.90 at my store. Now if I don't get a chance to go in my store, I go to Tractor Supply somewhere and get it there. It's maybe a little bit more, but still it's a whole full bag and it lasts me a whole month. So imagine how many eggs you'll get that month for you what you would pay in a grocery store, and just for your chicken feed alone. So in a way you save money because the bag lasts you a long time. Also, you know where your chicken eggs come from. The store-bought ones that come out of, you know, these chicken factories, and you know that where those chickens are just cooped in these small spaces and have to lay egg one day after another. That's the whole lifespan. It's just laying eggs. And it's just kind of sad to me because, you know, if you have chickens yourself and you have an opportunity to let them free range, they're happy chickens. They live better, and you know they bring you so much joy no matter what mood you're in. You can't help yourself to smile because they're happy to see you. I mean, I love coming in here and they're all coming running towards me. I just love it. And then like I said, they always put a smile on my face. They're great company and a great stress reliever also. Not just only for the eggs, but you know, they're great chickens. I love them. Not only they're great gardeners, you know, they help you in the garden, tilling the ground up and scratching around looking for bugs and eating the weeds, and you know what else they eat here in the yard. But they're great to have because not only I get eggs from them, but I get chicken poop that I can put in my garden. Fertilizer, free fertilizer. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. Thinking about getting chickens, what kind of chicken breeds do I want to get? Are you in for the eggs? Are you in for the eggs and meat? Or are you just in for the eggs but and get some fancy birds out of those and some, as pets? So that's a question that you have to ask. If you just want pets, you can go with pretty much all kinds of different kind of chicken breeds, but make sure you kind of keep an eye on them that they're docile and not all blend together, because if you have more aggressive chickens with docile chickens, they're not going to get along with each other well. If you're thinking about just egg layers and you want a lot of eggs, there are a lot of breeds out there that produce a lot more eggs than others, so you have to do your research on that. If you want dual birds for eggs and meat, then look into dual birds. They're like, for example, the light Brahmas and astrolopes. They're dual birds. So if your birds gets older, and they've been giving you eggs, but the bird's getting older, you can actually take that chicken and get it processed, and you have chicken. Meat birds. So there are different kinds of breeds out there also, but one of them is the Cornish. They grow really fast in a short amount of time that you can harvest them. The only bad thing about Cornish, they get so big so fast that they have a hard time walking. They look very pitiful. They lose a lot of feathers, and they just look really sad. And I just I just couldn't do it. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. What can you afford? Can you afford keep buying chicken eggs at the store? Or can you afford getting you a few chickens and get your own chickens and have fresh eggs every day? When you get older chickens from the farmer's market, when they sell chickens, stuff like this, or somebody, make sure you go with someone that or is recommended, because how they take care of that chickens. Because some of the people who sell the chickens, they don't take care of the chickens, so it's a very poor health environment. So always check where your chickens come from. I have not bought chicken eggs at the store for almost 3 years. That's how long I already have my chickens. And honestly, I can say I enjoy getting my eggs every morning for my girls, knowing where the eggs come from. They're taken care of, and they eat healthy. Overall, I mean, they're healthy, sweet chickens. I had some roosters in between that I gave away, but now I have one because I want to continue breeding in case if I had to. But having my chickens not only gave me fresh eggs, there's so much joy. I'm hooked. I'm a crazy chicken lady, I admit, but I just love having them because that just make me happy, and they're good therapy for your heart. And it's just they make me laugh, when I'm down, whatever, and they don't care. They're just happy to see you, and they make you laugh, especially when they come running towards you. I just love it. If you have the space and the place, and you can let your chickens roam around and free range them, they will take care of bugs and all kinds of stuff, and they're just healthy chickens. Just once in a while you have to deworm them, and give them wormer so they don't get sick on you. But if they have room to roam around, I mean, it's just funny to watch them, and they just get the things that they need out of the ground. And if you have a garden, you have leftover stuff, or you just grow stuff for your chicken, you can save so much money. And that's what I'm planning ahead for this coming year too. I'm going to be planning food for my chickens and stuff, of course, for us to eat, but most for that I don't have to go out and buy it. I used to go and buy stuff at the store, like fresh stuff, like salad and kale and all kinds of stuff, for just, to give to my chickens. But now I'm going to grow my own stuff, and that would save me a lot of money. Fussing for? Huh? What, buddy? Is it time to go inside? Yeah? Well, go on inside. Go night-night. Go night-night. What a show off. He's just like, keeps going now. He's just like, won't stop now. But I just really enjoy hearing him crow. They're getting ready to go inside to go bed. I tuck them in every night too, so it's kind of funny, but I do. Is it cheaper for me to continue buying eggs at the store, or just have my own chickens. Really, I mean, really think about it before you do get chickens, and do your homework on it, and don't just go out there and just get chickens and put them somewhere in the yard, because when you get baby chicks, you don't have a place to put them after they grow, and they grow fast. But are you going to continue paying the high prices of those eggs in the grocery store, or are you going to have your own chickens? I don't regret having mine. I love having mine. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? Well, go on inside. It's bedtime. Happy. I'm also thinking about getting a few, 4 more chickens for my friend that they're already laying eggs, so I don't have to worry about them, you know, staying inside, keeping heat lamp and all this stuff, the brooders and all that stuff. So they're already laying eggs. She just wants to downsize some of them, and you know, she has a lot of chickens. And so I'm going to be having those, and you're going to be seeing these probably here on my channel, so stay tuned for those. And they are so cute. They're not really a big egg laying breed. They lay huge eggs, like, you know, huge eggs. They're more like a smaller egg, but I really don't care because I still get eggs. And they're, you know, they're smaller breed, but they are just so beautiful birds. So I'm really excited about that. How hard is it to take care of chickens? Well, for me, it is just like taking care of my cats and dogs. I clean the cat litter like every day. I clean my coop every day to keep it clean and everything, keep critters and, you know, pests and them from getting sick out of it, from getting sick. So that's just me personally. But yes, there's really not much to having chickens, and more longer you have them, you learn so much more to it, and some things will come towards you once you have chickens and you will think, wow, I didn't know that. What do I need to do now? I mean, there will be some times that you're going to be wondering, and chickens will get hurt just like anything else, like a dog or cat, you know. But if you have a safe and healthy environment for them, there's really nothing to worry about. And predators, of course, you know, that's something you have to consider where you live. But yes, is it worth having your own chickens? So let me know what y'all thinking about it, about the whole egg thing. I mean, yeah, I'm kind of interested about what y'all think about it, and what your thoughts on it, but having chickens if you don't have chickens yet. So if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to help to answer them if I can. Chickens are tucked in. Got one more egg. I love it. And I'm going to enjoy them in all kinds of ways. God bless everybody. I think you got your target, baby girl.